Lightning Sweeping Machine. This is the name of our engineering exploration course project. We are from Team 10. My name is Tejas and these are my teammates Sharat Kumar, Usman Sheikh and Pratyush. We are working under the guidance of Madam Unnati Kopikar. First, we will start with the problem definition. Design a floor sweeping machine which is able to work properly. It should be portable and user-friendly. Machine should not exceed the size 1x1 feet. It should not exceed 3000 rupees. Weight of the machine should be 2 to 2.5 kg and it should be delivered within 2 months. It should be able to clean the floor properly. It should follow the user's command. It should stop and give indications if the obstacles present in front of it. So this is all about the problem definition. Now we shall move towards function trees and function clustering. Basically we have 4 main functions in our course project. The first one is it should cleanse the floor. Under this function we have sub-functions like it should hold brushes, it should rotate brushes and it should move the brushes. The second function is it should collect the dust particles. Under this we have sub-functions like storage of dust particles in the box and holds dustbin. The third function is it should provide user interaction. Under this function we have accept commands as a sub-function. The last function is it should give indications. Under this we have sub-functions like indicates on and off, indicates obstacles, sense obstacles and alert obstacles. So this is all about function tree and function clustering. Next we have subsystems identified. First one is moving unit, second one is cleaning and storing unit, third one is casing and sensing unit. So these are the subsystems which we have identified during our course project. Next we have generated concepts which were designed by our team members. Out of these 4 designs, we have chosen the first one by using puck chart, which is most suitable for our project. So this is the picture of the selected design. Next, we shall move towards virtual implementation. In this, we have 3 models of each system and entire system.
Welcome to 3D model of our pot. Moving unit. The moving unit consists of 10 mm thickness of foam sheet and having the dimension of 20 into 30 cm, and it consists of 2 motors and wheels. The motors of the wheels having the speed of 30 rpm. Cleaning and storing unit. Cleaning and storing unit consists of 3 brushes. Cleaning and storing unit. Cleaning and storing unit consists of 3 brushes. 2 are circular brushes and 1 is roller brushes. The brushes are attached with the motors with a speed of 120 rpm. This box is known as dust collector, which collects the dust. And this dust collector is made up of acrylic sheet of 3 mm. Casing unit. It consists of sheets of acrylic sheet with the thickness of 3 mm, and these are attached with the L clamps of 4 cm. And this is a platform like a structure where rolling brush motor will sit, and this acts as a links which helps to rotate the dust box to throw the dust. Let's assemble the parts.
So this is all about the 3D models. Next we have circuit diagram of the entire system. In this we have 5 DC motors. Out of 5, 3 are for 120 rpm motors, which we are using for brushes, and remaining 2 are using for wheels, which are of 30 rpm motors. We have one ultrasonic sensor for obstacle detection, and we have 3 2-channel relays and one LED for obstacle detection. So this is all about the circuit. Next we have the Simulink model of the entire system. Here you can see the picture of Simulink model. Next we have the list of bill of materials required for the entire system. It consists of so many parts, and specifications of those parts are displayed in this picture. Next we have motor sizing and battery sizing. After doing all the calculations, we got 2 30 rpm motors for wheels and 3 120 rpm motors for brushes. We also got 1.5 ampere hour battery to the board for running 1 hour. Next we have function specifications. This consists of functions like cleans the floor, and its specification says the machine should clean 1 square meter per minute. Like this we have 6 functions with the respective specifications are displayed in this picture. Finally, the last one is modeling and simulation. Here we have the video of simulation.
W1, W2 are for wheels, IN1, IN2 are brushes, and IN4 is LED. Case 1, BT is equal to 0 and US is less than 0.3 meters. Wheels are stopped, brushes are stopped, LED is on, indicate the bot is stopped. Case 2, BT is equal to 0, US is greater than 0.3 meters. Now also wheels are stopped, brushes are stopped, LED is on. Case 3, BT is equal to 1 and US is greater than 0.3 meters. Now the wheels are working, LED is off and brushes are on. Case 4, BT is equal to 1, US is less than 0.3 meters. Now wheels are off, brushes are off, LED is on. Case 5, BT is equal to 2 and US is less than 0.3 meters. Wheels are off, LED is on, brushes are off. Case 6, BT is equal to 2, US is greater than 0.3 meters. Now the bot turned towards right, LED is off, brushes are on. Case 7, BT is equal to 3, US is greater than 0.3 meters. Now the bot turned towards left, brushes are on, LED is off. Case 8, BT is equal to 3, US is less than 0.3 meters. Wheels are off, brushes are off, LED is on. Course learnings. It was a wonderful and excited course. We have learned about building engineering systems using engineering design process, using basics of project management in doing projects, and working of Arduino and other electronic components. We would like to thank you for teaching us the wonderful things.